So I just wanted to do a quick video on two things that I wish my 4th gen Tacoma came with standard that my 3rd gen came with, as standard options with that truck. So let me show you. Get in the car. So I got two dogs, as you can see, Athena and Covey. But number one thing I miss having, because I always take my dogs with me everywhere, is that sliding window in the back. That if you guys remember, on 3rd gens it came standard on all Tacomas, cheap ones and premiums. But on the 4th gens it comes in packages. So the package I have, basic off-road, doesn't come with that. And that's number one. Number two is my package off-road didn't come with the outlet that used to be in the back of the beds. I don't know if you guys remember that, but it came standard on the 3rd gens. It was like right here, and a cubby, stuff like that. That's number two I wish that my Tacoma came with. I just didn't want to pay for, all different packages. I got a killer deal on my Tacoma. It was $42,000 with like $6,000 discount. So it was $48,000 discounted $6,000. So can't beat that. But those are just two things I wish the 4th gen came with standard. I know you can get that, but it's like you have to pay more for it, and that used to not be with Tacomas. But yeah, just two things that I wish I had still. But thanks for watching, and yeah, you guys get to see a close-up of my dogs. Athena, the husky, Covey, the boxer. He's a runt boxer, so he's actually like half the size of a normal boxer. So it's pretty cool. But all right, thanks for watching.